फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
I heard Rahul Dravid, and I felt that, more than complaining, it has now become a thing for Team India to talk about pitches in each and every press conference they go, and they talk about, this is such kind of a pitch, that kind of a pitch. Rahul Dravid himself mentioned, that it's not an excuse or it's not a complaint that we're getting such kind of a pitch. It's just a thing that, these are very different conditions, and we're not used to such kind of conditions, but we are experienced players, we're experienced sports persons, so we really need to adapt ourselves to such kind of conditions. But Sahil, if we look at the ground, if we look at the conditions over there, I want to understand three things. One is why India's three matches are kept at Nassau County International Cricket Stadium. The stadium was made in just 5 months, and if I'm not wrong, it was Eisenhower Park before, and it was then converted into the stadium. So why this ground? Because as far as we know, there was this only one cricket stadium that was in Florida, and only one match of Team India is kept over there. Other than that, there is another venue, that's Grand Prairie, and that was also converted from a baseball ground to a cricket ground. So why at Nassau County ground, three matches of Team India are kept? The second one is it's related to the buzz. We are hearing that all the matches are completely sold out when it comes to Team India's matches, which means that there are a lot of people who are waiting to watch India matches. We also heard the reports that extra tickets have been rolled out for India-Pakistan clash as well. So what's the issue? The third thing that I see an issue there is that it's kept in the US, where cricket is not the primary sport. For that matter, not even the third, fourth ranked sport. So I think the US is a big problem. Other than that, I don't see that, there are a lot many issues over there.
You mentioned so many things, but forgot the biggest problem. The biggest problem is the International Cricket Council. The whole idea of taking the World Cup there, I think, was to me the biggest blunder, which they already. अब वही वाली बात होती है ना, मैं बहुत repeatedly बोल चुका हूँ. ओखली में सर दे दिया था कि यूएस में क्रिकेट ग्रो करना है, LA Olympics का बिड भी करना है. So it became a very egoistic issue for people in the ICC to pull this off, and for them to make a grand spectacle out of a World Cup in the US, they couldn't look beyond the Big Apple. That was there. आप फ्लोरिडा में 10 गेम कर दो, डैलस में 3 गेम कर दो, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. You will hit the nail where it's meant to be hit only when you attract people in and around New York, and that's what they wanted.
Okay.
That's what they wanted to do. Now they have been really lucky. People are not really talking about it. They're not understanding the fact how lucky ICC has been, because until August last year, they did not have any ground. उनके पास जमीन ही नहीं थी एक मैच करने की. हम तो क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट पे 1.5 साल से रिपीटेडली लिख ही रहे थे, कोई सुन नहीं रहा था. बट अगस्त तक जमीन नहीं थी. The ground which you are seeing right now, the land for it only popped up in August last year. The formalities were completed late last year, and the construction only began in Jan-Feb. अब आप रश्ड की बात करते हो, अंडर प्रिपेयर्ड की बात करते हो, वो होगा. मॉड्यूलर वेन्यू है. यू आर फाइटिंग a case against the US authorities to occupy their public land. It's not India, boss. जो मैंने स्टोरी किया था that there are average facilities in a park. They have to be average because laws of the land are such that you can't have a tandoor guy sitting and cooking chapatis in a normal public park. Yeah, it's not India, it's US. Everything is very strict there. Nassau County has been very cooperative because for them it's like their county is put on the world map, right? इससे पहले किसने सुना था Long Island के beyond कुछ exist भी करता है? I haven't been to the US, but I have friends. Jamie Bhai has spent a lot of time in the US. Even he would, vouch for that. कि people wouldn't really look beyond Long Island. Nassau County, भाई किसको फर्क पड़ रहा है यार? County अपने को तो सिर्फ इंग्लैंड से मतलब है ना. इंग्लैंड में कौन सा काउंटी है? Nassau County मैं तो एकदम गवार माफिक बात कर रहा हूँ अभी. एकदम ऐसी बात करूंगा क्योंकि पढ़ी लिखी बात जब लिखी ICC को समझ नहीं आया. यही चीज लिखी थी. आप मेरे 1 साल पहले के भी आर्टिकल्स देख लो. बस नहीं होगा. इंडियन डायस्पोरा से आप कितना एक्सपेक्ट करोगे? और वहां पे भी लोगों का डिस्टेंट कनेक्ट है विद क्रिकेट, बिकॉज देयर टाइम जोन हैजंट रियली बीन इन सिंक विद the way cricket was played in the subcontinent. They weren't really waking up for the IPL. It wasn't that convenient for them to follow
Yeah.
every match of Indian cricket team. So वो disconnect रहेगा. अभी जो आए हुए हैं झल्ले सारे दौड़ रहे हैं इस टाइम की मैच देखना है. It's a bucket list, you know. We'll buy a $10,000 ticket, pay $800 tag. अभी सिर्फ वही चालू है. अभी कोई ऐसा मतलब ये नहीं है कि मतलब क्रिकेट एंजॉय और इनस्विंग आउटस्विंग तो छोड़ दो. इनको 2 सेल्फी खींचना है. एकदम logistically it's a nightmare. I know Jamie Bhai is going there. Just get your steps in, boss. I've spoken to a lot of people there. It's a complete nightmare. Even for media guys getting into the stadium, it's a mess. It had to be a mess because कोई विजन नहीं था. सिर्फ यूएस में करना था. बस एक मतलब आंख बंद करके हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि जैसे हमारे मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं साडा मुंडा किसी तरह 90% ले आए बोर्ड 90%. ओ कित्थों आएंगे 90%? तैयारी तो करो. अब यहाँ पे तैयारी किसने करी? अब यार अगस्त के अंदर आप ड्रॉप इन पिच को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं लोग. बिल्कुल क्रिटिसिज्म होगा. आई थिंक द बेस्ट एनालिसिस ऑफ दिस ड्रॉप इन पिच वाज डन ड्यूरिंग द साउथ अफ्रीका श्रीलंकन गेम. इट वाज समथिंग व्हिच डिड नॉट अकर टू मी. आई स्पोक टू एन एक्सपर्ट. उसने मेरे को समझाया कि इसको 2 महीने तो कम से कम आउटफील्ड के साथ सेटल होने में लगते हैं. बट बिकॉज दिस इज अ लेवल ग्राउंड जिसका डेप्थ इतना नहीं है, दिस ड्रॉप इन पिच इज स्लाइटली संक इन. सो फॉर अ बॉलर the run up isn't like कि वो स्लोप पे चढ़ रहे हैं. जैसे जेमी भाई और ताउस भाई हम लोग खेलते हैं तो हम पिच पे दौड़ते हैं तो पिच ऐसे लेकर जाती है. द फेमस लॉर्ड स्लोप यार, मतलब इट्स ऑल देयर राइट. यहाँ पे वो नहीं है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा संकन फीलिंग है. इसीलिए पिच का वो एलिमेंट्स नहीं आ पा रहा. द क्यूरेटर इज स्कैर्ड. ही स्कैर्ड बिकॉज ही डजंट वांट टू एफ अप for a big game like India Pakistan. That is why extra grass has been left on the square. That extra grass is doing its trick, because that grass was put in just a couple of months before the first match of this at this venue. All these things they are ingredients to a disaster, और वो disaster आपको दिख रहा है. Don't be surprised if a Shaheen Shah Afridi delivery rises up from good length delivery, hits flush on Rohit Sharma's forearm. तब देखना चाहूंगा ICC क्या जवाब देगी. Because there was a delivery which did rise up awkwardly. Off spinner was bowling to Rohit Sharma. I think 3rd, 4th over of the innings. वो बैठ के sweep मारने गया. वो आगे से एकदम the ball just shot up. So all this is going to happen, and there is no buzz because ICC has been absolutely clueless. They were very clueless when the World Cup was held in India in 2023. They were busy leaking pitch changes, emails to people who matter in the English press. Andy Atkinson was so worried about the pitch in Mumbai, but he's kind of turning a blind eye towards what's happening in New York. Not even New York, आप Dallas देख लो. The person I spoke to, I can't give a name right now because वो भी नौकरी कर रहा है यार, जिसने कोई सारा साइंस समझाया विकेट का, आउटफील्ड का क्या प्रॉब्लम है, जो मैंने स्टोरी में लिखा. He was watching an evening game. He called me. He said, अरे साहिल भाई ये तो बवाल चल रहा है यार, ये T20 विकेट का आउटफील्ड है क्या? And that was a game happening in West Indies. So it wasn't even in US. So across the venues, if we see, the outfields are very, very heavy. And I'm not saying that, we need a 200, 220 kind of total every time, but boss, these are not ideal conditions. You make a spicy wicket, keep an electric outfield, there has to be something in it for everyone. मेरे से ट्विटर पे लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, it should test the batsman. T20 is not meant to test the batters. Test cricket is. That is why you have 3 formats in cricket. T20 is all about good cricket where there's an even contest between bat and ball. Not where Henrik Nokia is taking 4-5 wickets by just giving 7-8 runs. That's ridiculous. That's not a good advertisement for a sport in a territory where you haven't entered in so many years, and where you are dreaming to make it big. That dream will turn into a nightmare very, very soon.
Fastest cricket score updates या सबसे detailed stats
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या healthy debates
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.